All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. We are welcome back to this morning live session. So we're going to start and look at some key elements of what is happening on the GU currently. So the economic calendar for today, look at it. So today we have, okay, we're having, so there's no US news today. About 1:30, we have annual budgets on release. But the dollar is very strong. The dollar is very, very strong, guys. I'll be predicting that this guy is bullish, and based on my predictions, if we look at my past videos, you see that I'll be predicting that the DSY, which is dollar, is bullish internally, although the overall structure is still bearish, because this stands our swing high, then here is our swing low, right? So as long we are below 99.48, the DSY is still bearish. So whatever is happening here is just we call it retracement or pullback. So the DSY has not changed character. Take note. Don't use all this place as a change of character. This is a daily time frame. And here is our swing high. So what we currently see is the first phase. So this is our impulse phase. So we have our impulse, so which is the direction, the original direction of the then this one will be retracement, which we call pullback. So let's name it this. Then the next phase we are expecting is another impulse phase, right? So we expect, if this guy will continue bearish, another impulse phase. So we have so this is the phase. So that is the phase we are on GU, on dollar, sorry. So impulse, correction, impulse. So for now, we are what? In the corrections phase, right? So what we can see now is that price is taking out, price is dealing with this liquidity that is here. So anything around there, we may likely see maybe the corrections may likely start for the another impulse phase. So another impulse phase will likely continue. And so that is what we are expecting, maybe another impulse phase to continue. And whatever that make us to break above 99, we have a daily candle close above 99, then that would be a bullish for the dollar. So for now, internally we are still very, very bullish, but the bullish we are seeing internally is just a pullback to the external structure. So the external structure is bearish, but internally we are bullish. So I will, from here, see now that we have taken out this liquidity around there. So we may likely to see a kind of maybe a smaller time frame. We have to need to watch out for what we call a kind of weakness for bearish, for a bearish weakness. So drop it to 4 hours. So you can see now that price is very bullish on 4 hours, like about 4 hours. So before we get into this trade, into a sell to sell the dollar, like to see a demand change to supply, then before we will be looking at, okay, we are good to do what to sell. So the situation of the dollar is, for now, is that dollar is very bullish, and price is really reacting to the war that's going on between the Iran, the US, and the Israel. So that war is reacting to, is one that is power the dollar to be very strong. So Euro USD. So since Euro USD is the inverse of dollar, so let me quickly break down the Euro USD. Yes, so those who watched the previous analysis have been predicting that Euro USD, that price, I'm seeing price selling more when we are in this place. Now, all liquidity are fully settled. Externally, we are still bullish, just like the way I analyze the DSY. So the euro is still very bullish. Euro is still very bullish. And here's the phase we are now. That's at the phase. There's no change of character yet for the external structure of Euro USD. So all we can see is that already is still bullish until price violate this low. So once we have a close above this low, then that will become a bearish for the Euro USD. So now, what are we looking to do? What do we want to do on Euro USD now? We have to be very patient. So we have to be very patient and wait for price weakness. You must see price weakness here before you start buying. This is not time to buy. This is not time to sell. So if you just enter the sell now, you are entering what we call enter the moving trade. So now, weakness around there will protect us. So our price is coming to this demand zone. So let's watch what will happen. Then, as for the sell side, for me, I am not buying yet until I see a proper shift in market structures on 4-hour time frame. But because on 4 hours we are still much, but price is still very bearish on 4 hours. So this where we have a break of structure here, right? So I'll continue that. Price is what you can see, pullback, sell off, impulse. So break structure, impulse, collapse. Now on 4 hours, this is our external high. This is the last high. So that's our external high of 4 hours. We don't have external low for now. So any pullback is still a pullback for a sell. Until for now, as long as this impulse we have, until we have 4-hour candle close above this internal high, before we have maybe a bullish, but we can say, okay, we want to buy. Except this happen. As long price has not closed above this place, we are still what? Bearish. So the Euro USD is still bearish. Any pullback is a pullback to look for a sell. So this is my take on DSY and then Euro USD. So we have to be very patient.